8 things that are worth your money, Law Office Edition. Number 1, Panasonic inverter. Number 2, air purifier. Get any brand. Yung nasa office namin ay One Home, but I also have it in my room, isang Xiaomi. So, pili na lang kayo doon. Number 3, humidifier. We have the brand Hair. Tapos meron kaming separate na diffuser para sa essential oils. Tapos ang gamit namin doon, Essentials and Beyond sa Orange app. Number 4, ayun nga, number 10. Number 3, number 4. Number 5, san? Number 5, Brother Printer. Number 6, yung may scanner. Tapos number 6, standing table. Number 7, Muso ergonomic chair. Number 8, yung CCTV, which is, ang gamit namin ay Tapo. Yun lang!